Most people think you need to create ads from scratch, but that's actually the slowest way to do it. Because right now, there's thousands of ads making money. And with AI, you can literally clone them for your own products in minutes. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. So to start, I'm gonna find some winning ads that are currently working for other stores right now. To do that, I'll log into Zik, and I'll go over here on their ad spy tool. Now this actually just launched this week. So I've been using Zik for most of my product research over the last 2 years. And before, when you wanted to look up your competitor ads, you either had to go on the Facebook ads library or use another ad spy tool. But now you can do all of this entirely on Zik. Let me show you how it works. So you can look up winning Facebook ads using all of this criteria right here. You can sort it by language, country, age group, gender, what platform they're actually running on, the media, whether it's a video, image, or a carousel ad, as well as a call to action and the actual ad duration or how long it's been running. Or you can leave all of this blank and take a look at all of the active ads that are currently running right now. We can go up to the top and we can actually sort this by ad duration instead of creation date. So right here, these are all of the oldest ads that are running. So all of these ads you see right here have been running the longest. That just means they've received the most ad spend and they're performing better than any other ad out there. Because if they weren't performing well, these brands wouldn't be investing in them time and time again. So you know, all of these ads right here that launched in January of this year, December of last year, even October of last year, you know, all of these are performing well right now. So I'll go up to the top. Let's go ahead and look up image ads. We're gonna go ahead and recreate some image ads for this video. I'll select the call to action as buy and shop now. We'll select the target countries as the US, UK, and Australia, and we'll go ahead and click search. So once again, I sorted it by the ad duration right here. So all these ads right up here at the top have been running the longest, and that's just how you know they're performing the best. But any of these ads you see right here are currently running in the Facebook ads library. And all of these ones you see right here launched in March. These ones right here launched in April. But you can click on any of these ads that you want to. You can see the ad copy they're running, the actual link, and we can always analyze these stores further to see how much sales they're currently making right now. So because nobody's actually tracked this brand before, it just started tracking right now. So we can check back in a couple days and see how much they're making each and every day. And you can always see a list of all the other stores that you're tracking right now. I just started tracking all of these today. But I'm gonna scroll through here until I find something that I actually wanna recreate myself with AI. All right, so after spending some time scrolling, I came across this supplement brand right here, and I really like this ad. It's like a natural beet supplement, and they're branding this as like a blood pressure solution. So take a look at the actual store running this ad, and we can see the actual supplement that they're promoting right here. So it's a beet rise root formula, and they're targeting it to support heart health, anxiety, energy, and blood flow. It's actually a lot. So all these images right here are AI generated. We're gonna go ahead and make some of our own in just a moment, but this brand is pretty simple. So let's go ahead and grab this image ad from Zik Analytics and create our own AI version of it. I'll go ahead and right click and save this ad right here. Now I'm gonna move over to my supplier and I'm gonna grab my own supplement instead. So we're gonna use this organic beetroot supplement. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this image as well. And notice how simple these ads are. They're not overly edited, they're not crazy. They're clear, visual, and straight to the point. They always have a customer avatar that matches exactly who you're targeting. So instead of trying to recreate this entire ad from scratch, I'm gonna go ahead and replace this product with my own using AI. And I'll move over to my AI image generator, and we're gonna use Nano Banana to create our own version of this ad. So I'll go ahead and upload both images right here. Here's the ad we stole off of Facebook. Here's our own supplement right here that we're gonna use to replace it. For aspect ratio, we'll keep it square 1:1. For resolution, we want the highest quality possible, so we'll select 4K. For a model, we want to use Nano Banana Pro. And right here for the prompt, I said replace the product in this image with a supplement in the second attached photo. Match the lighting, shadows, and perspective exactly. Blend it naturally into scene so it looks original. Keep the same composition, style, and high quality 4K detail. Clean up any inconsistencies and make it look like a real ad. This is the prompt I use anytime I do this. I just replace this part right here with whatever product I want to replace it with. So once we have all of this typed in, we'll go ahead and click generate. This should just take a few seconds and I'll get back to you guys in just a moment when we have something. Wow, so here's what I came up with right here. Now this took a little longer than expected, but I'm very happy with the output. So it's the exact same image as the ad that we took, but with our product right here instead. And this looks super realistic. back. Now, if you wanted to, you could actually change the avatar or the person holding this up so you're not copying this ad entirely. But this ad right here is ready to launch and start testing tonight. Now, that first example was pretty good and it only took us a few minutes, but let's try to do this again one more time, but even better. All right, so I just came across this winning ad right here for a watch brand, and it was actually launched almost a month ago. It's still running for them, and look at this ad right here. So it's a high quality visual demonstration of the actual watch. Then it's got some bullet points going to the watch, modern aesthetic, precision chronograph. It's calling out all the features and benefits that actually interest the buyer. So since we did a supplement the first time around, I want to focus on something entirely different now. And this watch ad right here is perfect. So I'll go ahead and download this image right here. Then I'm going to move over to my supplier and I'm going to grab this image right here of a completely different watch. Let's say you guys had a watch brand and you were selling this one right here instead. So I'll go back to my AI image generator. I'll go ahead and paste both photos in there. For aspect ratio, I'll leave that alone. I'll keep it square. Resolution, we want 4K. We want Nano Banana selected as our model. I'll go ahead and type in the same exact prompt right here, but with our watch instead. And let's see what it comes up with. And here's what it came up with. This actually looks really good. But because the watch wasn't very realistic looking in the reference photo, we have the same exact output right here for this. But AI did its best right here. Same thing for these features and benefits. You can customize any of these to match your brand and your products. You don't have to use the same exact outputs as your competitors. Like if some of these don't make sense for your own products, don't include them. But this ad right here looks really good. This is ready to launch and start testing tonight. And I'm just showing you guys how quick and easy it is to find these winning ads and duplicate them yourself. Like in the span of just a couple minutes, I found 2 winning ads and created my own versions of them. This used to take days and thousands of dollars to get high quality creatives like this, but now you can do it in a matter of minutes. So now that we used a supplement and an accessory like a watch, let's go back to our ad spy tool and do this one more time. All right, so I just came across this ad right here that launched earlier this month, and it's for an eye bag cream, and it's performing really well for this brand. And these are the type of static image ads that are outperforming right now. You have a bunch of high quality visuals of your product and a nice infographic post. You don't ever want any of your ads to actually look like ads. That's when you start to lose. And I'll move back over to my supplier and we'll go ahead and grab this photo of this eye bag cream right here. Let's say you sell this on your own brand. I'll move back over to my AI image generator. We'll remove these 2 watch photos right here. We'll upload the 2 new ones we've got. And then I'll go ahead and go back up to the prompt right here. And instead of watch, I'll say eye bag cream. Just want to confirm that we have Nano Banana selected, 4K resolution, square 1:1 ratio, and let's click generate. And here's our new version of this ad with our product here instead. I'm not gonna lie, the first one actually looked a lot better than this one, but that's just because our product is plain and boring looking. Overall, this is a nice looking ad. This is ready to launch and start testing tonight. And I did this with 3 different examples of entirely different products. We had a supplement, a watch, and now a cosmetic product. This just goes to show you can do this with any product out there. So now let's go ahead and compare the original ads with our final output. Starting with that first supplement. Here's the original ad that we took off the Facebook ads library, and here's our own AI generated version instead, using our products. All the details look the exact same, but it's literally just our product instead. And this entire process took less than 5 minutes from finding this ad to recreating it ourselves. But then we went ahead and found this watch ad. I plugged it into the AI tool and we came up with our own version instead. These 2 ads are very similar, but we have our own products on there instead now. And then finally, we found that cosmetic ad, plugged it right into AI and created this one instead. Same exact thing with our products plugged in there now. This entire process was super simple, but keep in mind, you don't have to copy these ads frame by frame. You can change anything that you want to on there. You can change the actual person that's promoting your products. You can change the text, anything you need to. But we're just identifying winning concepts that are working on Facebook right now and giving it our own variation instead with our own products. And this is something that used to take hours or require a designer, but now you can do it all in a matter of minutes. That's how easy it is to go from finding a winning ad to having your own version ready to test. If you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. And don't forget to check out all the helpful resources I have for you guys down below. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.